Girls, good luck. Put on a great show, and your time starts now.
Once you wear that apron, you know a lot is at stake. You can probably go home if you don't do well. So yeah, that feeling was actually very scary, and I wanted to get out of it as soon as possible.
As it's my first time here, I am super stressed, super nervous, but then I will try and give my 100% so that I can get out of this, and I don't want this black apron ever in my life.
It's a double elimination, so we're a little nervous about what's gonna happen at the drop zone because we weren't prepared for a double elimination. But hopefully our efforts will pay off and we will get back to our white aprons. Having a pre-fixed mind on not having anything fried on the plate kind of made us limited as to what can be done with the ingredients we had.
We are planning to make a classic combination, fish and chips. The variation will be, fish will be like an open sandwich, and the chips will be of root vegetables and the bananas and all. And we'll serve with that with a tartar sauce.
So I was taking care of the fish, and Akansha was taking care of the sauce.
Akansha, तू chill है ना? Please panic मत करना, ठीक है? Sorry, मतलब मैं तो ये सोच रही हूँ कि I am saying that.
As German food has a lot of bread, a lot of cheese, a lot of fresh stuff, we're going with a sandwich with ham and cheese and lettuce and some caramelized onions and mushrooms. And we're gonna go with a potato salad on the side.
Ipsita came up with the mashed potato and fruit salad idea, while I came up with the sandwich and the dip.
What are you making?
We are making fish and chips, but then it will be like an open sandwich. You're gonna use this bread and then put the tartar sauce and then put our fish on top, and then they will be making a cream and caper kind of sauce. So we'll just put it on that, and we will serve with the vegetable sandwiches.
So you're doing a fish and chips open sandwich?
Yes.
With some veggie fries?
Yes.
Right? Basically, that's what you're doing? Yes. Remember, you have to elevate your dish somewhere. Think about it. Maybe there's an elevation possible. That's point number one. Question number two. Do you think you made the right choice by giving them German?
Probably.
Probably.
We're not too sure.
I think we'll all find out. But right now is the time to focus on what you are doing, right?
Yes,
and do it well.
Yes, sure.
Good luck.
Thank you.
What do you want to add for the elevation?
I don't know. Bacon? We thought, why not give a smoke flavor to our tartar sauce? So we gave a smoke flavor to tartar sauce, and we did whatever they expected us to do at that point, because we didn't want them to think that we are just playing it very safe.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect.
Lettuce, I need you to chop lettuce.
Lettuces are there, fresh lettuce. We'll put a whole lettuce because we're using the whole thing, right? So lettuces are done.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes and mushrooms.
I think we should caramelize them together.
Mushrooms is gonna cook down in no time.
What all are we done with? Potatoes.
Put it in the oven for a little bit.
What went wrong?
The potatoes are a little underboiled to be mashed.
Why are you trying to mash the potatoes?
Not totally mashed, but just like a little chunky potato salad.
For the salad?
Yeah.
And then don't use a fork right now. It is not completely cooked,
Yeah.
right? What a German potato salad is supposed to be, they cook it in stock. There's no mayonnaise. So the mushiness ideally should come from the stock and the potato starch and all of it coming together, right? It is okay for it to have a little bit of a bite, but too much is not good. So you might want to remove the potatoes that are not cooked, okay?
Yeah.
Cover in a silver foil, put them in the oven, but only the pieces that are not cooked.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, how's it going?
It's going all right. All right,
Good
give me a
luck.
baking. Thank you.